So hello friends, today I am going to show that how you can install MS Office, okay, and at MS Office, and which is absolutely free. So you do not need to concern about the product key or any kind of license. Okay, so first of all, open a browser and search here Office customization tool. Office customization tool. Okay, once you click this, click on this link config.office.com. Okay, okay, so you can see this kind of screen will open. Now create a new configuration, then create. After going there, it is a 64-bit machine. Now what you need to do, products is fine, 64-bit. Now Office suits, this is Office LTS Professional Plus volume license. Okay, rest of all things just keep it as it is. We do not need to do anything else. Okay, here you can choose what are the applications of the Office you need to install, so you can on and off it. So for by default it is Skype for business, it is off, let it be as it is for now, for the time being. Now next it is language. Select the primary language is English United States. Okay, rest of the part, just keep it as it is. Okay, now installation process, we do not need to do anything in the installation section now. Okay, here uninstall upgrade MSI Office and including Visio and projects. Okay, let me disable it. Okay, so now come down a bit, then do next. Okay, so it is off and let it be at as KMS. Okay, now click next. So after you need here, you need to give a description. If you want to give an description, just give it, otherwise let it be as it is. Okay, now application preference, this has come. So all are the applications which will you which you can use through the Microsoft, through MS Office. So these are the softwares. Okay, so now let me do finish. So once you finish it, now click on export. So in the export, click the second one, Office Open XML formats. Okay, now click OK. So after OK, some of the terms and conditions they are sharing with you. So here we need to give one file name. So here let me, after clicking on the checkbox, now let me click on export. So here the file is exported. Okay, now you can do whatever you want because it is in your local. Okay, so this is the configuration dot. So now the file has been downloaded. So it may be download in your download section, configuration.xml file. So here is the file which it looks like. This is the file which it looked like. So, okay, now go to the Google and go to Google and write Office deployment tool, and write Office deployment tool. So after coming here, the first link which is there, just click that link. Okay, okay, Office deployment tool. Now click that download. Now we have downloaded the office deployment tool, this one. Now let me create a, as I have already created in C drive, I have created one office. Okay, so within office folder, you just paste the downloaded file, office deployment, this version and .exe, and just double click it. And once you extract the file, all this file except configuration, because we have configuration file installed earlier, downloaded earlier. So all this file, all this 4 or 5 file with setup.exe will populate here. Okay, now what we need to do that, click on setup.exe and configuration. These two file we need to copy, and maybe we can create another folder, office 2 here, another folder that is called OFFIC, office 2. Okay, so within office 2, let me paste this to file. Okay, one is setup.exe and configuration.xml. Okay, now write another things, and the go to the Google, and then write office deployment tool 2021 Microsoft Learn. Okay, I will give all these link into the description box. So now click on the first tool, first link. Okay, so when you click the first link, this page will populate, this page will appear. Now come down, and then here you can see that one file, setup configure configuration.xml. Okay, so before that, let's just open the command prompt from the Windows CMD. So let's open this, and from here, what we need to go, we need to go to the folder where we have just kept the this to file actually. Okay, now we need to see office 2. So how I will go there, let's click cd, then office 2. Okay, now I'm in office 2 folder where only two files are there. One is configuration.xml and another is setup.exe. Okay, now let me minimize this and just copy this setup configure configuration.xml. Okay, now enter. So you can see here that our setup is downloading. To install Microsoft, to first uninstall the product and try again. Okay, let me close it, as I have the Microsoft Office installed earlier. So what I need to do, I need to go to the control panel. If you have already Microsoft Office installed, then you need to first uninstall it. Okay, let me uninstall this, uninstall a program, because it is, the keys are expired, so I need to renew the keys. So instead of renew, I just want to uh, do a separate installations. Okay, I'm just doing that only. So for that, first I need to uninstall the existing MS Office. Where is the MS Office Audacity? So here you can see the Microsoft 365 for enterprise. This I need to uninstall first. Okay, yes. We will remove the programs files to request it from your computer. Uninstall. So I am uninstalling the Microsoft 365 and Office. It will take few minutes. As you can see that uninstallation is done from my computer. Now let me run this command again. Okay. Okay. Now Microsoft Office, we are getting things ready. It is going to install. Okay, it will take few minutes. Look, here all the things which I have selected earlier is going to install. Okay, so it will take few moments.